no-bake cheesecake cups with strawberry and mango topping. Guys, they're easy to make, beautiful, and absolutely delicious. Look at them. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to make it. We will start by making our homemade strawberry sauce. The strawberry sauce is all set after 15 minutes. This is beautiful, guys. Look at that. Wow. For the strawberry sauce, I use 1 pound of fresh strawberry, half a cup of sugar, about a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and of course, water. To make the cheesecake, I have 2 blocks of 8 ounces each of cream cheese, room temperature, a cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now in low speed, let's go ahead and mix it together. I just want to let you know that I turned off the volume while I'm mixing the cheesecake. This mix is going to be for the strawberry cheesecake without a strong noise. Let's go ahead and put in about an ounce of the strawberry sauce, and that is not only going to give a beautiful color to the cheesecake but a beautiful flavor as well. Let's add a cup of whipped cream. This is just going to enhance the flavor. For this part, because we want to keep the mixture nice and soft, we're going to be using a spatula or a spoon. For the crust, I'm using 12 2x2 graham crackers, and we're just going to go ahead and put it in the blender. I'm going to put a hint of nutmeg, and we are also putting about an ounce of butter, melted butter. So let's go ahead and use the blender again, and that way we can mix this butter with the crackers very well. Guys, the crust came out perfect, so now it's time to put those cheesecake cups together. I cannot wait to see what they're gonna look like. For the strawberry cheesecake, I'm using 3 ounces little cups, and they're beautiful, guys. So what I'm doing right now is putting 1 tablespoon of the crust in the cup and then pressing it down with another one. And look how beautiful that is gonna look. This is what you need. Okay, let's go ahead and fill up the cups with the cheesecake. That's just perfect. Just like this. It looks good. Well, it's time to put some strawberry on top of the cheesecake and make it beautiful, guys. Look at this. It looks delicious. Definitely awesome. Cannot wait to eat one of them. The strawberry cheesecake are all done. I'm going to put it in the fridge, and I'm going to go ahead and start making the mango. Look at this, guys. For the mango cheesecake, we're going to go ahead and start the mixture. I'm using the pulp of 2 mangoes, so let's go ahead and blend it. I'm not adding extra sugar. It's optional. I'm just putting a hint of nutmeg. This is done. For the mango cheesecake, we're going to be using 2 blocks of 8 ounces of cream cheese, the same as the strawberry. I'm just doing the mixing on the same bowl that I use for the strawberry cheesecake, just to save time. We're also going to be putting about a cup of sour cream. Let's go ahead and blend it together. Always start slow and a slow speed, and then we go up. And the mango cheesecake, I'm not going to be putting mango on the mixture, so I'm just going to be putting it on the top. Look how nice and smooth this looks. I also put 3/4 of a cup of sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay guys, I also finished making the crust for the cheesecake, the mango cheesecake. So I'm just going to put a little extra butter into this one, but it should be all set. So let's go ahead and put the mango cheesecake together. Let's go ahead and assemble this one. A teaspoon of the breadcrumb. This dessert is just looking awesome and it's so, delicious when it's done. Guys, I recommend you to try it. Make sure you tap it down just to make it even. Let's put the mango sauce. Just like that. Let's make sure we tap it so it's spread around nice and even. Wow, look at this. They are absolutely beautiful. Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dessert. Wow. Definitely super creamy and refreshing. What a beautiful dessert. Perfect for any occasion, especially a party or family gathering. Any time that you go into someone's house or they come to you, this is perfect, especially the size, because it's just one person dessert. And I tell you, this cheesecake came out so good that they are going to love it. Let's go ahead and try the mango. It's heavenly, definitely. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. And if you like this recipe, I recommend you to watch the next video. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.